Alright, today we are going to be unplugging the throttle position sensor on the 2014 Ford Explorer. Throttle position sensor is located right here. We'll go ahead and unplug it, and we'll go ahead and start the vehicle. I have the data pulled up here. It's sitting at 0.03 right now. If I put my foot on the pedal a little bit, it is all the way down and nothing has changed with any of it. Our sensor is sitting at like 4.97 volts currently, not changing when pressing on the throttle. It has detected a fault in the throttle position sensor. Considering that we unplugged it, it's pretty normal. Still pressing the gas pedal, nothing is occurring. Alright, so after about 3 minutes of waiting with the sensor unplugged, it is finally reacting when the pedal is pushed. Currently I have the pedal pushed all the way down and we're only hitting about 3,000, so it's still not working to its fullest. Slowly climbing. Got up to like 3,500 and it seems that's where it's like capping out at. But as you can see on the scan tool, it still has all of the same readings because it's still set as an open. Now we can go look and see what the codes are that the PCM threw. Looks like we have a circuit low code for the throttle position sensor and also a circuit high code for the throttle position sensor. Alright, today we are checking the PCV system on this 2006 Pontiac G6 because a very unreliable source at my work told me it may be clogged. It's not removable, so we're going to check to see if there's any suction on the fresh air side. Looks like there is a little bit on the side for you.
It might be partially clogged, but it's still enough vacuum for whole container, which is good enough.
Alright, so I have a misfire on cylinder 6, so we were going to do a compression test on 2, 4, and 6 because the ones 1, 3, and 5 are pretty difficult to get through. Went ahead and pulled this off on 2 so we could get the spark plug, and the ignition wire decided it wanted to break. The spark plug wire did. So that's another thing I have to fix now.
We're compression testing on the 4-cylinder right now. On number 2, we got about 125 PSI. The engine did start up, so it's kind of hard to read it. Now we're going to try out number 4. It wants to just keep running even though we already pulled the relay. But yeah, as you can see, we get about 125, so we'll hop on 2-cylinder number 6 and see if we get any different results. This is number 6, still wants to start up, but getting about the same PSI, about 120, so we'll have to do some other tests.
Alright, we finished the compression test. We put all the spark plug wires back on, spark plugs in, and hooked up the intake hose again. I'm going to start it up, make sure it at least starts up. It starts up, but it still seems to have that misfire. Our next step, probably put seafoam in the tank and see what that does with the injectors.